If you're looking to purchase a gift card, go to our shop at Sauerpuss and Friends. For each of your purchases, a small portion of the proceeds goes to supporting our mission of fostering creativity and innovation in children of all ages. Thank you for considering our shop for your next gift card purchase. Hoo-hoo-hoo! And thank you to all of our new subscribers. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Creativity Castle.
It's time again to be creative!
And welcome back to another episode of Creative Cats with me, Sauerpuss. So if you're ready, we are going to draw several simple little kitty cats. All you need today is a black marker or a pencil. You can find today's drawing on sourpussandfriends.com in the Activities section under Printables. And if you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up. There are so many ways to start drawing a kitty cat. For this first kitty, watch how I draw a simple head shape along with a simple body shape, including the kitty cat's tail. After completing the outline, next I add 2 simple front legs and paws. After drawing this simple body, I add the features to the head to create the little kitty cat. I add the ears, the little mouth and nose, as well as the little eyes. I'll keep the face very simple, including whiskers on each side of the kitty cat's face. Now I will draw another kitty, and this time this little kitty will be a nice, well-fed house cat. This will be a very happy kitty with a big, happy smile. And next I will draw a big round head, along with the ears, and then I'll add the whiskers. And this kitty, being a little chubbier, will have short little paws and arms, along with a nice round belly and short little legs. And we'll finish off this kitty by drawing the tail. What a cute little kitty. For this next kitty of the day, we will make this kitty less rounded and a little bit more angular. Let's begin with the kitty cat's 2 long rounded eyes and a small little nose and angular mouth. Let's make the kitty cat's head have a few angles, including some extra hair on the top of the head, adding ears, and again we'll add some whiskers. And we'll make this a skinny kitty with a longer neck and a very simple body. And here are the front 2 legs, and there is a back leg tucked behind. And then we'll finish off the kitty with a little tail. And here we have 3 simple but different looking little kitty cat drawings. As you can see, you can draw all sorts of different kitty cats. Always remember to include the ears, the whiskers, and the mouth with the little nose. Those are some of the main features of the kitty cat that help us to recognize that these drawings are kitty cats. To wrap up these drawings, I will take them into Photoshop and give them a little color. Let's make this first little kitty a light tan little color. we'll call this first little kitty Bing. And next, we'll color this middle one an orange color. Let's call this one Butterscotch. Hoo-hoo-hoo. And this last little kitty will color in a dark gray and white. And we will call this kitty Minnie. Hoo-hoo-hoo. And here we have our simple 3 little kitty drawings, each unique in their own special way. Hoo-hoo-hoo. I sure hope you've enjoyed this creative cat's drawing with me, Sourpuss. See you next time, and remember to
Be creative!
Thank you to all of our new subscribers.
Meow,
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 meow, meow.
Be sure to visit us at sourpussandfriends.com today. See you next time!
Hoo-hoo-hoo.